In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your job on LinkedIn without notifying your contacts. Whether you're starting a new role or making other adjustments to your career profile, you'll want to keep these changes discreet until you're ready to share them with your network. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in. You can do this using your Google account, Microsoft account, or the traditional way with your email address and password. Make sure you have these credentials on hand. If you've enabled two-factor authentication for added security, LinkedIn might prompt you for a verification code. This code will be sent to your phone number, so keep your device nearby to quickly retrieve and enter the code. This ensures that your account remains secure, especially when making important updates. After you've logged in, look towards the top of the LinkedIn page for the Me icon, which is represented by your profile picture. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This section is your gateway to managing how your information is shared and who gets to see it. Once you're in the settings area, locate the left-hand sidebar and click on the Visibility option. This section controls who can see your professional activities and updates. Adjusting settings here is crucial if you want to manage the flow of information to your network. Now find the specific setting labeled Share Job Changes, Education Changes, and Work Anniversaries from Profile. This option allows you to decide if your network will be notified about changes you make to your job title or educational background. At this point, you'll want to toggle the switch to the off position. This ensures that your job updates are silently integrated into your profile without sending notifications to your connections. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted your LinkedIn settings to keep your job change private. Feel free to update your profile now with your new role or any other changes, confident in the knowledge that your contacts won't be automatically notified. This discretion can be particularly beneficial if you're preparing for an upcoming announcement or just want to update your profile quietly. Remember, you can toggle this setting back on any time you're ready to keep your network in the loop. It's all about having control over who sees your updates and when. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching and happy networking on LinkedIn.